If you are over 60, your body is facing a silent but powerful problem: rapid collagen loss. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body, responsible for healthy skin, strong joints, flexible arteries, and even gut integrity. But after age 60, collagen production can decline by more than 30 to 40%. This leads to visible aging, wrinkles, sagging skin, brittle bones, but more dangerously, it contributes to joint pain, slower healing, and weakened blood vessels. The promise in today's title is powerful: 10 anti-aging foods that help rebuild collagen naturally. And understanding these foods could mean the difference between rapid aging and aging with strength, mobility, and glowing health. Half of their natural collagen reserves. That's why so many seniors suddenly notice wrinkles appearing almost overnight, stiff joints when waking up, skin becoming thinner and fragile, and slow healing after minor injuries. But what most people don't realize is this: collagen loss is not only cosmetic. It affects your joints, arteries, muscles, and even your organs. Without enough collagen, the body literally loses its structural support system. And the frightening part? Most seniors unknowingly eat foods that destroy collagen faster, while ignoring the simple foods that could help rebuild it naturally. But today, we'll change that. Natural health educator Barbara O'Neill, who has spent over 40 years teaching preventative health and nutrition, has helped thousands of people improve their vitality through diet and lifestyle. Her approach focuses on supporting the body's natural repair mechanisms, including the production of collagen. According to Barbara and many clinical nutrition researchers, the right foods can significantly support collagen production, improving skin elasticity, joint function, and overall vitality even after 60. Here's what happens inside the aging body. Collagen is built primarily from 3 amino acids: glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. But producing collagen also requires vitamin C, copper, zinc, and antioxidants. After age 60, 2 major problems occur. The body produces less collagen. The body absorbs nutrients less efficiency. This double effect accelerates tissue breakdown faster than repair. However, certain foods provide the building blocks and the nutrients required to stimulate collagen production again. Mistake number 1: high sugar diets. Scientific danger. Excess sugar causes a process called glycation, where sugar molecules attach to collagen fibers and make them stiff and brittle. Study insight. Research shows high sugar intake can increase skin aging and collagen damage by up to 30%. Patient example: a 68-year-old patient who consumed sugary snacks daily experienced severe joint stiffness and skin thinning, which improved dramatically after dietary changes. Mistake number 2: ultra-processed foods. Scientific danger. Processed foods are high in oxidative compounds and inflammatory oils that accelerate collagen breakdown. Medical data. Studies link ultra-processed diets to increased inflammatory markers and faster tissue aging. Now let's talk about 10 foods that help rebuild collagen and support youthful health. 1. Bone broth. Scientific benefit: rich in natural collagen peptides and amino acids. Study insight. Regular consumption improves joint comfort and skin elasticity within weeks. Action plan: drink 1 warm cup daily. 2. Eggs. Egg whites contain proline, a key collagen-building amino acid. Action: eat 2 eggs daily for protein support. 3. Citrus fruits. Oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are packed with vitamin C, essential for collagen synthesis. Action: add 1 citrus fruit every morning. 4. Berries. Blueberries and strawberries contain antioxidants that protect collagen from damage. 5. Leafy greens. Spinach and kale contain chlorophyll, which may stimulate collagen production. 6. Garlic. Garlic provides sulfur compounds essential for building collagen fibers. 7. Avocados. Healthy fats and vitamin E help protect collagen from breakdown. 8. Nuts and seeds, rich in zinc and copper, minerals required for collagen formation. 9. Tomatoes, packed with lycopene, which protect collagen from sun damage. 10. Fish. Fatty fish provide omega-3 fatty acids, reducing inflammation that destroys collagen. If you are over 60 and serious about protecting your health, take a moment to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with your age. We create content specifically designed to help seniors stay strong, independent, and healthy for longer. Your comment also helps us create videos tailored to your health concerns. Aging is inevitable, but rapid decline is not. The foods you choose every day can either destroy collagen or rebuild it. By adding these simple foods to your diet, you can improve skin elasticity, support stronger joints, reduce inflammation, and maintain mobility and independence. And most importantly, you can protect your quality of life for decades to come. Because healthy aging is not about looking younger, it's about living stronger, moving freely, and enjoying life without constant pain or hospital visits. So subscribe, stay with us, and continue learning how to age with strength, dignity, and vitality.